Welcome to ProFit Outdoor Kitchens. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through assembling the power-plunge section for a built-in power burner. Before you begin, gather your tools and safety gear, confirm that all parts are present, and keep the labeled screw bags nearby. Start with the 4 support bars marked P. Slide the rear supports into position first, followed by the front supports. Use a square to confirm that each bar is properly aligned, then secure them to the bottom plate using the self-tapping screws from bag P. Next, install the pre-cut bottom panel with the textured side facing up. Position it between the supports and make sure it sits flat. Install both side panels with the notched edges correctly aligned. Once both side panels are installed, place the rear panel into position and attach it with screws along the top and one through the center, using the self-tapping screws from bag A. Your ProFit power plunge assembly is now complete. You are ready to install the countertop and lower the power burner into the completed opening.